Welcome to the Mews add-ons walkthrough from Tapkey. So first of all, you need to have Tapkey configured with some logs already configured and also have a demo account of Mews or a final hotel account in the Mews platform. To start with the installation, you need to go to your Tapkey login system and then navigate to add-ons. And in the add-ons, you will see in the marketplace that the Mews installation or add-on is available. So in this case, we are going to click continue with Mews, and you need to get the client token and access token that comes from the Mews system. Here we are going to input some demo data for our hotel and click connect. We are going to start configuring some resources. In this case, we are going to start by our room 002, and we are going to associate one log. So what we expect from this point is that every reservation that is checked in is going to create a permission for accessing the specific logs. We can add a permission for the log and also for the entrance door, in this case, for the entire hotel. I'm going to save the changes and let's confirm our reservation. So this is TK0002. In Mews, we have this user, John Doe at tapkey.com, and the reservation has been placed for the TK000002. The email of John Doe is user1 at tapkey.org, and we are going to confirm the reservation. Okay, back into the reservation, we can just click check-in. In this case, we are not creating keys, physical keys. We just make the room inspected and proceed with the check-in. In this time, Mews is connecting with Tapkey in real time, and we should see the grants already created in the Tapkey login system. So let's switch back to Tapkey. Okay, back on Tapkey, you will be able to see the reservations if you navigate to the log. In this case, it is the door 02, and you have a grant created for the user 1 at tapkey.org. This user is going to be removed automatically if the booking is changing on any of the states, if the booking is cancelled or if the booking is finalized. So you see that the permission is created in the specific time range, and basically this is it. I am going to proceed with canceling this reservation just to demonstrate that specific scenario. So switching back to Mews, and here we have undo check-in. I'm going to undo it. Maybe we had some mistake, and I am going to and at this point the Tapkey permission is already deleted. So let's switch back to Tapkey. So coming back to Tapkey, we have the door 02, and the grants listed are already removed.